Hello and namaskar, and in this video I am getting you ready to fit your drone, your aircraft, so you can make your first flight. So we can see our drone over here and the battery of that drone, and here are the propellers. We can see there are like two kinds of propeller. These two kinds are alike. We can see the mark over circle over here, and this one having no circle, and these are one of the kind, and these are the other kind. So these two need to be fitted diagonally, and these will fill the other diagonals. We have our drone. So how to unfold this? So this is the top part, and this is the down part, and this is the rear part, and this is the front part of the drone. So we have to like unfold the uppermost wing like this, and we have to fold the down part like this. So down and like this. So this is how your drone will look like. And putting out the battery, so this is the smart battery. So we can see how much battery charge is available from here. We can press, and this each compartment, there are 4 compartments, and each compartment represents the 25% of the charge. So we can say I have battery more than 75% in this particular battery. So I'll press these 2 buttons over here and get it aligned. So I'll press this and put a bit force, and this is how it is fit over here. So talking about the propellers, as I have mentioned, we have 2 different kinds of propeller, and this propeller with the circle over here need to be fitted in this area, where we can see this one and this one is quite different. As we can see, there is also a bigger circle over here, so circle goes to circle. So fitting this is like we have to align this over the notch and press this a bit and rotate, so it can be fitted inside the notch. Similarly, the other half circle goes to the diagonal. Likewise, I have to press and fit this in the notch. Also, I will double check each of them so I can confirm they are fixed. So yeah, I have double checked now. So my drone is almost ready for its first flight, and now I have to remove this protective glass for the camera. So I have to, here I can see coming out part, so I can pull up that push a bit and take it out. So this is the camera protection, so I can protect my camera inside the back too. So now it is almost ready for its first flight. So this is how it will look like, and this is the smart drone I have ever flew, because it has lots of sensors to avoid obstacles. Like we can see the vision sensors over here and the infra sensors over here, and there are lots of sensors we can see over here. And this is actually light that can help you while landing and figuring out what actual alignment the drone is at, so we can control the camera safely for the landing purpose. And also this will help you figure out while flying like very long distance, so while you will be not seeing the drone, then the auxiliary light will help you figure out where the actual location of drone is. So this auxiliary light is very helpful. And similarly, we do have vision sensors in the front part too. So this is how we fit our aircraft. And finally, charging on this aircraft is like a single button press, a bit, and a long press. So this is how we can turn on this device. And when turning on, we can see there is lots of movements in the propellers and the camera. So similarly, we can turn off this drone device. Turning on, you can see the camera movements and the propeller movement. And now this is ready for the takeoff.